Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this really cool mummy outfit on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. So I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on because it's just a lot to memorize. I did like 6 adjustments as you can see. So the first one I did, also I used one VIP item, which is the robot feet, but you can replace it with you don't need to wear it at all. For the black part, as you can see, select this eye mask, color it black, and default, position the Y 0.46, Z 0.54, and then I also got this eye mask, like this eye patch basically, in the currency item, and I basically colored it using this pattern as well as EACDD2. I used a lot of that color in it. I think it's just this one here, so color both of that the same or with that pattern. For these adjustments, I did position the X and Z to 0.47, Y 0.49, rotated the X to 0.53, and scaled it to 0.42. For the head part, I used this beanie in that same pattern. Position the Y at 0.48, Z 0.51, rotated the X to 0.48, and scaled it to 0.33. Then for the mask, I used this in that pattern. Position the Y at 0.48 and scaled it to 0.59. Grab this headband in the fourth toggle in that pattern as well. Grab this scarf in that pattern. In the first toggle, position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.53. Then grab these earrings for the eyes, color it 91CD41 in the neon material. Position the X at 0.54, Y 0.56, Z 0.49. Rotated the Y to 0.59 and scaled it to 0.20. Now, for the outfit, I used this turtleneck in this pattern for both. And I also used this fishnet and the third toggle, I think, in thick. And I also changed the color to this one, I think. Yeah, in this one. And then I also used this in that same pattern. The stockings in thick. I think I did the fifth or fourth toggle. It doesn't really matter. And a darker color, maybe this one. Then I also used the robotic feet here, but it's optional, in that same pattern as well. Lastly, I am going to use the brat skirt in that pattern. And that's your mummy. You can change maybe your skin tone to make it a little bit more pale. Maybe that color. And I think we're going to change the nails as well to match that. Like so. Oh, I also added this too in this color, this one. And that is it. That's your mummy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!